Did you know the crime of the century was pulled off in just 20 minutes on a quiet English countryside? On August 8, 1963, a Royal Mail train carrying £2.6 million in used banknotes left Scotland bound for London. What the crew didn't know was that Bruce Reynolds and his 15-man gang had spent 6 months planning the perfect heist. They bribed railway workers, studied every schedule, and received inside information from a mysterious contact known only as the Ulsterman. At 3 in the morning, they tampered with railway signals, forcing the train to stop. The gang swarmed the locomotive with military precision, overwhelming the crew in minutes. 120 mail bags disappeared into the darkness before anyone knew what happened. It should have been the perfect crime, but they made one fatal mistake. Fingerprints left at their Leather Slade Farm hideout led state police straight to them. Most were captured within months, though Ronnie Biggs famously escaped prison and fled to Brazil. The Great Train Robbery became Britain's most legendary heist.